So this forensics is common to Android phones and Android laptops, right? Android
Uh,
phones,
yes,
Android
it's for Android
PCs.
app. Like not Android phones, Android mobile phones.
That's what I mean.
Uh,
Matlab, Android say we have phones,
yeah, like there
TV,
are
smartphone, smart devices, and PCs and everything were coming, right? So
yeah,
is it
like
applicable for all those devices or only
yeah.
for mobile?
No, we'll be covering only phone here, but it can be applicable on every other devices. Okay, like you can apply the same.
Because when it comes to IoT and everything, so they will also part of the entire ecosystem, digital ecosystem, Android phones, Android devices, Android laptops, Android TVs. So
Yep,
this will cover all those things, right?
yep.
Okay.
Like all of the Android
What
users. Yep.
you can add one more topic
Uh,
related to the Android watch or the smartwatch we call here. So there
yeah, like
be a lot of analysis is there in on that.
yeah, like it's about a whole Android. Whatever system runs on Android, we will be covering here. Okay.
Okay.
If there is Android TV, laptop, and all, we will be covering those things. Okay. So every Android runs on a file system named as YAFFS. It's simply yet another flash file system. Let me show you. Like Windows uses NTFS, Linux uses not UTS, ext4, and Android uses its file system as YAFFS. Okay, you can see the YAFFS file structure. Okay, it's this type of file structure, file system for Android. Okay, so you can see it like it's the same format. It's the format that YAFFS uses in their file system. It's a file system like this YAFFS file system is how data like it's simply how data is stored and organized on a device. Just like how we keep our files and folders on a PC, Android has same structure. Okay, it's an special file system used in older Androids version like Android 2.x. You can say it as 2.x because there were so many Androids. So uses an modern Android and made for NAND flash memories used in mobile devices and NAND flash memories. You can say its architecture. Okay, it simply look like this. You can let me get any image of it. Okay, it's the same thing but it's on circuit level. Okay, so it look like this. It supports fast write and deleting operations, and like it's outdated but it still appears in some legacy devices. Okay, and modern Android uses like same system as Linux, ext4 or ext3. Okay, more like ext simply stands for extended file system. It's the same system used in Linux, and these features were the same on newer Androids, like journalings, like helps recover data after crashes, and fast and stable after that, supports large file and discover directories. Okay, ext4 is the most common file system in current Android phones, while YAFFS is found in older devices. Like as I mentioned, it's on Android 2.x. Let me show you Android 2. It comes like it's on gingerbread. Have you heard about gingerbread, lollipop, and all? They are the Android versions. So we have these Android versions under 2.x like Eclair, froyo, gingerbread, and all. Okay. So after this, like YAFFS, on the YAFFS thing, you can see its architecture. The first layer is of application layer, and second layer is of POSIX layer. POSIX layer simply means take input and output thing. And after that, it's YAFFS direct interface, and then it will move to the system memory, and you can say it as a file system, core file system. Okay, and after that, like flash interfaces and RTOs. I'll share this. It's on yffs.net. It's the official, I guess. It's the official. Yep. No, yeah, no, it's not. It's something else. Okay, no issues, but it's the same thing. Okay. After that, I'll be covering like Android data storage paths. Like as I have covered Linux paths and Windows paths. So similar to those paths, I'll be covering Android paths as well. Like Android organizes its data. Yep.
These topics are common to YAFFS and the recent advanced versions like
Advanced
EXT,
versions of Android.
F2FS. Common,
It's
right?
yeah, it's common in both. Okay, you
Okay.
can use it on both Android systems. Okay,
Yeah,
so
okay, okay.
let's move with Android data storage. Okay, so let me show you a Android file structure, file system. It has the same file system. Like it's the same, not exactly, but yeah, you can say it. Okay, it's the Android file system structure. Everything starts from the root and ends on the SD card extension. Okay, external SD card. So and in the no, it's not complete. Let me get a complete one. Uh, not this, not this. Okay, it's here. Okay, as you can see, we have these partitions in our Android. If we will root our Android, then we will be able to see these all. Okay. So the first partition is the boot partition. Okay, and the boot partition of the like Android is simply which contains Android kernel and RAM disk. Okay, this cannot like this device cannot boot without this partition. Any Android device cannot boot itself without this boot partition. Okay, if we delete this partition, we need to install new ROM. You have heard about custom ROMs and all. So we have to do those custom ROM, like installation of custom ROMs or boot partition to reboot the system. Okay. After this, we have cache partition or folder. You can say it as okay. It's application cache. It simply stores application cache. Like any app cache, it will store every application cache. After that, we'll be having data directory. It simply stores user data. Like you can see, this section is for storing user data. Okay, it contains all of the user data such as SMS, contacts, settings, and all SD, all data related to installed applications. When you do factory reset, it actually wipes the data partition. Okay, when you like formats your phone, then this particular directory is get formatted. Okay, after that, we have slash data. Slash data simply means it stores applications data. Again, it stores application data. Okay. Like any app that you have installed, like WhatsApp and all, it will get stored on this particular partition. Yep. Is there any question?
So slash data contains our data, I mean the user data or mobile number data that is there specific to complete device, and slash data has
It contains
the
the
data
application.
related to the applications that are installed in the device, right?
Yep. Slash data is the
So
user data partition.
so this the app data is a subset and still be stored in the slash data user data partition itself, right? It's
Yep.
not a separate partition.
No. It's not in separate partition. It comes under this data directory.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. After that, we have slash dev. Slash dev simply means devices that are connected to your device. Okay. Like you have installed some SD cards and memory cards and all, or you have like connected some wired speakers or anything, it will be listed under dev. Okay. After that, we have an MNT directory. MNT simply means it will mount any storage device or any type of storage that you will be connecting. Okay. Like as you can see, do we have MNT? No, we don't have any explanation of MNT, but MNT simply stores the MNT simply mounts the hardwares. Okay, you can say hardwares or storage devices or anything that needs to store the data. Like inside the MNT, we have an ASEC folder. ASEC folder, it simply encrypts application. And under the MNT, we have another thing another partition named as EMMC. It's an internal storage or internal SD card thing. It's the uh, internal you can say it as internal storage. Okay. And after that, we have an SD card thing. It's an external storage that you simply put your SD card on your phone. It will get mounted inside the SD card and in the SD card folder. Okay. And the proc simply means the process information. Whatever thing the Android will run, it will simply store on this proc directory. Okay. And on the recovery thing, it will use in recovery modes to recover the Android or to flash the Android. Okay. If you go on the recovery mode, then you'll be like if you boot your Android while pressing volume up and the whatever keys that will take you to the recovery, you will be seeing there. Let me show you Android recovery partition. Android recovery. Yep, you'll be getting this type of thing. Okay, have you guys seen this while like hard resetting your device and all? If you guys have seen this thing, then you'll be in your Android recovery. Some of the file systems have this TWRP recovery, and some of them have the normal recovery that comes with the like pre-installed with the companies. Like companies simply install the TWRP and they use it. Like it's the basic TWRP that you will be getting in I guess Samsung and Realme devices. I don't know about more devices, but you'll be getting this on Samsung and Realme or MI devices. Okay. So after this, we'll have like where does it go? Not here, here. Okay. After this, we have a system file. It's an read-only file system. Okay. And it stores the system ROM. Like let me have a complete explanation of this. Flash system in Android. So as you can see, Android is an operating system developed by this. Not I'm not looking into this. Flash system. Okay, here as you can see, the slash system partition is a crucial read-only partition that stores the core operating system and pre-installed applications, including Android framework system services, core applications like settings, FM radios, and all. Okay. Like the slash system partition will store stores the core of OS, pre-installed applications, read-only. It's a read-only file system. OTA updates. OTA updates are like over-the-air updates. When a new Android version is released, it comes under the OTA. Okay. After this, like Android extensions, like in Android 11 or the optional system extension partition provides a place for OEM service components that are tightly coupled with the system partition. Okay. And in similar terms, like the system partition is like the foundation of your Android phone. It holds everything that make your phone run from basic operating system to essential apps. Okay. It's not meant to be modified by the user, but if you root your Android, you can modify it. You can uninstall the system apps if you root your Android, and it gets updated when your phone gets new version of Android. Okay, but you can unlock it if you will root your phone. But remember, rooting your phone simply means you are jailbreaking it, and the warranty will be gone. Warranty of your phone will be gone, and if you break it, then you have to purchase a new one because no one can like repair it. It's unrepairable. Okay. So I have told you about Android architecture, file systems. Okay. And how Android stores the data, like mount MNT SD cards and all, and where are the critical data are stored. Okay. After this, will be like we have some different methods of Android, like different methods of Android to get the data, but we'll be using a tool named as Oxygen Forensics. Okay, we'll be using a crack of it. So I'll show you how to install the crack and all because it's a bit lengthy. Okay, at first, let me introduce the Android Forensics. So it's an not Android Oxygen Forensics. Okay, so Oxygen Forensics is like it can use to acquire data from 1500 Android devices, Android BBIOS. You can extract data from everything. Okay, you will import the data from iTunes, Android or JTAG, or you can do chip off things from it, chip off investigations from it as well. Okay, so at first, when you are working with some law enforcement, in Android case, you will be getting a device known as SQLite UFED. Okay, it's an hardware device. We don't have it right now, but you'll be getting the hardware of this SQLite UFED and a software associated with that. Okay, it simply look like this. Man, okay. The software simply look like this when you attach your Android with it. Okay, let me show you a video of it. Let me show you a video. Okay, here we have a video of Celebrite. Okay, so as you can see, as you open the Celebrite after connecting your device, it will auto detect your phone when you connect your phone, and after this, you will be getting your Android device. Okay, you have to select your Android device from here. Okay, from the generic profiles, and after this, the extraction or whatever you wanted to do, it will be listed out here. Okay, you can search it like as the guy on video searches, you just search it and perform whatever you want. Like if you want chat capture, if you want screenshot, if you want like physical image of your phone. For the physical image, you have to root the Android. Without rooting the Android, you can't extract the physical or image of your physical phone. Okay, and routing simply means jailbreaking and all. And if you want file system info and Android logical, advanced logical thing, you'll be getting here. And after you select this, it will just ask you a permission on your Android, and you'll be good to go. And there is another tool. If you found an Android unlock, like it's lock Android, then Celebrate UFED is also Celebrate UFED will also crack your logs. As you can see, it's this type of hardware you'll be getting. Okay, from here you will have two type of things. First one is write blockers that will stop the writing of your into your device, whatever device you will get. Okay, this is the device and this is the device of Celebrite. Okay, you will be getting either this or either this. You will be getting these two, or maybe some of them. As you can see here, this particular USB is of write blocker, and it simply pulls out whatever you want. This will do both. Okay, so we'll be working with oxygen here. We'll be not looking at the Celebrite stuff, but I have to tell you guys about Celebrite and all. So I just have told you, like, these are the things that this will do. It can crack your like not the patterns, but it can crack your pins, passwords easily. Okay, it has a large number of data sets in it that will do that. Okay, if you got this device, then you can crack, like, if you can even crack the iOS ones, I guess. Okay, so for the installation, you have to move with this particular site. I'm sharing the link of it. Okay, I'm sharing the link of it. I'm using this on my system. Want, if you want to use it on your system, then it's fine. If you don't want to use it on your system, then simply do it on a VM. Okay, install the VMware, install Windows on it, and then install this particular software on it. Okay, I'm not recommending you guys to install this on your bare metal, because maybe it will have some malwares and viruses in it. Okay, as you can see, it also states the same. So before using this, you scan it with antivirus and all. So to install this, you just have to navigate to the Mediafire or Mirror ones. Mediafire is the fast, I guess. So just navigate to this particular thing and install this. It's 4 gigs of thing. Okay, just install it, and the password of it is software crack guru. Okay, and after this, let me complete the installation things of all. After this, just download this SQL browser as well. Okay, I'm sharing the installable things. Okay, so install this SQL database, SQL browser, and this Oxygen, and I'm sharing this. From here, you will be getting the Android zips. Okay, like whatever Android. If you don't want to clone your Android, or if you don't want to attach any malicious software with your Android, just get some Android images from here. Okay, as it suggests, it's 10 gigs of image of Android 11, Android 12 of 39 gigs, Android 6 of 4 gigs and all. Okay, so you can get the images from here for the analysis. Even you will be getting iOS one. So iOS one is here. Okay, so I'll be sharing this as well. If you don't want to clone your Android. Okay, so just do that. Click on the installation and do the installation of it. And after this, let me, as you can see, I have this. Okay, you'll be getting these things. Okay, and before, oh, wait a second. Do I have it on my forensics folder? The zip of it? Uh, oxygen. No oxygen. Okay, fine, great. Okay, you will be getting this. Okay, so just click on install and it will start the installation. I have already installed it, but let's go through it again. So just do this, accept it, install it. It will install the software. Okay, uh, everything that I'll cover, it's written here as well. How to like install it and do it. Okay. Install the software like basic setup, and after this do not open, like do not interact with your keyboard during the installation. Okay, this process will take some time. Wait for some time. So just when you are installing it, just don't play with your keyboards and all, or do not launch any other software because it may crash. Okay. And here you'll be getting some other folders as well, like you'll be getting a folder with crack files, with the name of crack files. As you can see, I have the crack files folder, crack files. Okay, you'll be getting two folders. First one is keygen and second one is crack files. Okay, so let it install first. If you want to apply the crack, or if you have this option, if you want to purchase the license of it, then go with the official site of it. There the pricings will be listed. I guess it's around 10 lakhs, maybe, or maybe it's more. OXY detective price. Not this one. Oxygen analyzer. Not, okay. Not this one, man.
सर ऑक्सीजन फोरेंसिक टूल सर्च करो.
Okay, you will be getting the pricings here. Okay. Uh, from here, like you'll see oxygen, press on oxygen detective, and maybe the pricing will be listed here. Okay, if you want for the single user, then click on here. Okay, you have to fill this, and they'll give you in your mail. They'll give their testimonials on the mail, but you can get it like wait, oxygen forensics tool price. Okay, it's installed. Okay, do not press on launch, just click on finish and let it. As you can see the pricings of it, you'll be getting it for 19 lakhs. Okay, so to apply the crack, just navigate to this file and select all the files from this crack folder, copy it, right click and click copy, then paste it on the, I guess, this folder. Here we have this. Let's open our downloads. Open a new window. Just click not just copy it and paste it here. Okay, and click on replace the files. It will replace out every file. Do my mouse is just sticking up. Okay, the files are replaced. After this, we just have to like run the program on the desktop, whatever we have on our desktop. Like, there was we'll have a shortcut of the. Okay, we'll have this shortcut. So just click on it, and it will prompt you for like it will give an error first. Okay, as you can see the error. Just simply open up a and notepad and just press Control V here. Your hardware ID will be pasted here. As you can see, this is the same hardware ID. Okay, and save it on your desktop. I have saved it as hwid.txt. You can save it. Okay, save as hwid.txt. Yep. After replacing this, just follow the documentation again. After doing this, just click generate the license key. Okay, for the license key, you just have to again go to the downloads folder and go to the keygen. Here you will be getting 3 files. Just open the keygen folder and extract the file from extracted files. Here we have extracted files. Then run the VMP tool. You have to disable your antivirus tool. Okay, just click on OK. Okay.
सर इनको साथ साथ में टूल इंस्टॉल करवा दो आप
वही करवा रहा हूँ सर, टूल ही इंस्टॉल करवा रहा हूँ। टूल इंस्टॉल करवा करके जो क्रैक है वो अप्लाई करवा रहा हूँ ताकि जो भी लाइसेंसिंग है वो ना मांगे। वही करवा रहा हूँ क्योंकि ये थोड़ा लेंदी प्रोसेस है तो मैं वही
जो आएगा इंस्टॉल करने में
हाँ जी हाँ जी, वही वही मैं करवा रहा हूँ क्योंकि ये थोड़ा लेंदी प्रोसेस में साथ साथ ही करवा दे रहा हूँ। हाँ जी। So like after this, just go to the virus and threat protection. Turn off your virus and threat protection. Okay, like click on manage settings, turn off everything. It might and after this run the VMP protect tool. Okay, you will be getting this. So just do this, and here it says and you have to select the VMP file. Click on open, and okay, I have listed it here. Okay, just click on it, and here it will like a new key will appear. As you can see, a new key is appeared. So after this, click on add. Here we have an add license. Put your name or whatever name you might you are willing to. Okay, I'm putting it as XYZ. Depends on your use case, or maybe depends on your case. Okay, and uh, fill up the required details. It's not required, but again you can. Depends on you. Okay, and here click on hardware ID. It will like you have to put your hardware ID, I guess. Scroll down and paste the previous hardware ID. Okay, you have to paste your hardware ID. So just okay, hardware ID is pasted, and after this, just click on add license and generate a serial number. Add license. Serial number is generated here. As you can see, the serial number is generated. Okay, just copy the serial number. Press Ctrl A and C. It's copied. Final activation. Open the auxilic file in keygen folder with notepad and paste the serial key. As we have an auxil.lic file, open it with notepad or sublime, whatever you are comfortable in. Just paste your hardware ID and save it. Not the hardware ID, serial ID. Okay. Just click on it and save it. After that, copy the updated oxy.lic file, LIC file, and paste it on this particular path. So let's see. Man, open it. Sorry, use this file here. Copy, paste. You have to like not this. Just continue. It will be pasted. Okay. After this, launch the program. Your crack will be applied. Okay. Yes. Where is the program? Okay. As you can see, no errors will be you will be encountering. Okay. Serial number to run. I have to redo this. Okay, fine. Let's do it again. Uh, program files and oxygen, 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 oxygen. It's under program files, not this one. H O OS forensics, not OS forensics. Oxygen forensics detective. We just have to paste it here. Replace. Do for all. Everything I have done. Then let's again. Downloads. Click on keygen. Run it. Open all files. Open this VMP file. Okay. Yes. Delete. Add license. Paste your hardware ID. Add license. It's copied. Notepad. Saved. Save project. Oxygen. Here. Only.lect. Replace. Let's read. Okay, as you can see, it's simply launched. Okay, the not this one, man. Okay, the first screen you'll be getting like this. Okay, you'll be getting your first screen like this. After this, whatever you wanted to do, you can do it. If you wanted to extract a physical, remember one thing. If you want to extract a physical image from any phone, you have to root the phone. In our case, we are not rooting it. We are just getting some file like we'll not using the physical thing. Okay,
Sorry, what exactly meant by root the phone? I mean, what is that? What happens if I root a phone?
you will lose your phone's warranty and you will lose your phone's integrity. No, none of the none of the
I mean, what will happen if I root a phone?
You will
What will
get the
happen to a phone?
advanced access. You will get the advanced access of your phone. Simply, you will unlock the super user of your phone, like as you do
Okay.
on Linux by typing sudo bash or sudo shu. You will
Yeah,
be
yeah.
getting the
Got it,
root
got
set.
it, got it.
From there, you can do anything. Okay.
Yeah, that's what you are impersonating yourself as a
You're
super
like
user and
you
to
are
a
breaking
phone
a barrier. You are breaking a
barrier.
barrier between the vendor
Understood.
and.
Yeah, yeah. Got it. Thanks.
Yep. So,
Tell him
connect.
how to root the lock phone.
You have various ways to root your phone. First, like I have tried it on Android. I don't have tried it on I don't have tried it on iOS. I have tried it on Android. So you have two ways to root. First one is Magix, and second one is Kingo root. I have tried it with Kingo root, but my phone got bricked, and I just have to simply throw that phone.
What if the phone is locked?
If the phone is locked, then we have to use Celebrite UFAT to unlock the phone. As I have shown you the Celebrite, this particular thing you have to use it, and it's an hardware-based thing. It will simply brute force the keys, whatever like pins and passwords you have you have chosen for your Android. It will simply brute force out. It has the best of the best word list from the globe.
But will it override I mean, the hand, I mean, the
No.
physical authentication, like the what thumbnail impressions or facial locks, everything
No,
also?
it will not write out anything on your phone because it comes with a write blocker thing. You have to apply the write blocker thing because if this particular tool is writing on the disk, then it might can harm your hardware or not the hardware, the system, I guess. Okay.
Status of the system.
Yeah.
But how will it open the lock if there are 2FA or MFA enabled on the phone?
There are no.
Or say for example, it needs a facial lock to open the phone. So will that override? Will this device override that also, or it's only brute force the
It will
password
simply
or
brute force the
keys?
password or keys, whatever you have chosen for your Android for your lock screen.
Okay, okay, but it doesn't override
No.
the thumb impression or facial lock, biometric lock.
No. Like it can't unlock the biometric thing, but it will unlock your pins and password things, like
Okay, got it.
alphanumeric characters and all.
Mm.
It comes with a write
So
blocker.
it does a kind of a random generator, number generator, and a keep in generator,
Yep.
and search for or keep on
It will keep
pushing
try.
this.
It will simply put your Android in read only mode. Like your Android will read these stuffs. It
Okay,
will not
okay,
get
okay,
written. Okay.
okay, okay. Got it, got it. Now I understand. Yeah.
Yep. Is it clear or is there any doubt?
No, it's clear. No, it's fine.
Okay, great. So after this, like first one is Kingo root. First one is the Kingo root way to root your Android, and second one is Magisk. For the Magisk, you will have to have some modules for your Android to run the Magisk. Okay, I have not personally tried the Magisk one, but you can. If you want, then you can. You will get thousands of demo of rooting the phone from Magisk on YouTube. Okay, so you just.
Okay, I will do it. But my question was only related to that lock phone only. Yeah, specific to.
Oh, is it solved? Like your doubt was solved?
Yes, 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 yes.
Great. So after this, just connect your Android with a USB device, okay, for the acquisition, for the recovery. Okay. Let me just put my uh, USB on keyboard. Just a second. Let me put it. Let me attach a USB. On this here, not it. Okay. Going with something else. Okay. Okay, as you can see, my phone is just got connected. I have, and from here, I have to just uh, enable the developer option of my phone just by going it to the about phone and clicking 7 times on the built number. It will enable a developer option on your phone. And from that developer option, you have to simply turn on the USB debugging. Okay, as you can see, the USB debugging is turned on. Okay, great. As you can see, my device USB debugging is on. Now let's just click on it. Okay, let's first create a case. Let's name our case anything. Extract data. Extract device data. Choose it. It will ask you like what methods you want it to and what are your device types, and you'll get from a connected device as well. Okay, from the methods you'll be getting many of the methods here. Okay, even the iOS ones you'll be getting this. It can pull out the data from iOS agent as well. We'll be using Android agent for now. Okay, it will similarly put the data from iOS as well. Okay, and you can see everything that's available here. You can do it. Okay, and for the physical one, you have to root your Android. Okay, so we'll be using Android agents way. Okay, now it will ask me like extract user data via USB or via Wi-Fi. So I have two ways, either from Wi-Fi or either from USB. So I'll choose USB because I have attached the USB. Okay. I don't have any like single Wi-Fi connected to my phone and this thing. So that's why I'm moving with USB. You can move with the Wi-Fi ones. Okay. Just click on it. It will connect your device using an ADB mode. No. Okay. Device is unauthorized. Just a second. Okay. Now it's, I guess it will take it. Okay. Okay. As you can see, after the USB debugging is on, it will simply list out. It will install an Android agent on our phone, and it will simply take all of the data from this particular Android and will be listed here. I have this phone as a demo phone. It does not have any data. Like it's not having that data. Okay, some crucial data. It has some like normal data. Okay, just click on extract. It will extract out. This phone does not have any more data. Okay. Let me share a photo of it on the group. Okay, how it's extracting. I have shared a
You are
photo on WhatsApp. Yep.
you are connected to the physical device even though you have selected an agent.
Yep. Because I does not have my phone rooted. I don't have a rooted phone. For the physical image, we have to root our Android.
Okay, then where from you taking this image?
I'm taking it
I
from
thought,
my own phone. Like I have shared a picture of my phone on the group of CCI on the WhatsApp group. Just look at it.
but that is the physical device, no?
Yep, it's a physical device. I'm extracting the like user data and all from my physical device. It's extracting, as you can see. Like I have shared the screenshot of it.
So this is the current state of your phone, right? It
Yep,
is while doing the extraction.
yep. This particular screen is showing on my phone while this thing is
Okay.
happening. So that's why I have shared. let's just wait for some minutes.
What about the metadata of the applications and user activities? Where will it stored and
Yep.
how that?
These are the things that you will be getting. Uh, Timeline, statistics, social graph, all of
Oh,
this.
okay, okay,
Okay.
okay. Oh, good.
I just wanted to know whether deleted data can be pulled out.
No,
Mhm.
no, not from this logical analysis, but from the physical image, you can get the deleted data as well. Okay. From the same method of autopsy, you just have to mount the image on autopsy, and from there you can get the data. Okay, it's done. Just let's just open it. Okay, and import. Let's just wait for some minutes. It will take some time.
Okay, means for to create the physical image, we will need the rooted phone, correct?
Yep. For the physical image, you have to have the detail. It's parsing the files. We just have to wait for some seconds or minutes, I guess. It will. Let's complete the parsing, and it will parse everything in JSON. Okay. As you can see, let me show you the devices and all. Okay. Here, oxygen forensics, extractions. As you can see, I have done extraction on this. I have tried the physical one, but physical extraction was not done due to my device is not authorized, or I have not rooted my device. So it will log everything. Yes. To use this feature, yep, I have tried it, but it simply gets terminated. Okay. So as you can see, what's my ID of it? Uh, what's today's date? 6/18. Okay, this is our file. From here, you'll be getting this SMSs, MMSs, media files, contacts. Okay, in SQLite format. I have told you to install this SQLite, SQLite browser. Okay, just click on 32-bit or 64-bit, depends on your laptop. Okay, and you can also get the portable one. I've also installed it, so it's a simple installation. Okay, you don't have to do more things. It's the simple installation. Just get it. Okay, and from here, just open this SQLite cipher. It will open and put your file. Put your SQLite 3 file here, and it will list out. Okay, I don't have any like contacts. I've just resetted my phone for this demo. So you'll be getting all. Okay. From here, like you can browse the data by the columns. Sim, like contact sims, contacts, emails, data. As you can see, my phone was Samsung. It just pulled out the Samsung helpline number, and here's the I guess number. Let me show you the number. Is it visible? Okay, it's this. These are the numbers. Okay, or Samsung helpline. So you'll be getting all. Even the hash ID of it. Okay, we'll analyze it. We'll analyze it. Don't worry. Okay, as you can see, we have these things. We have calendar informations, phone book information, faces, applications, accounts, and all. Okay, let me show you the application data. It will just again take some time.
But will it have WhatsApp data? It's supposed to be
It
encrypted end to end, right?
will, it will, it have, it's have, like it will have it. You can export your data from here. I don't have WhatsApp, but I have Instagram here. Okay, so you can save the application files or the archive. Here you can see what's the base application. You can do it here and click on save files, and it will save as Instagram.zip. Okay, it will save out everything. Similar to Instagram, you will be getting for WhatsApp. You can do the WhatsApp one as well. So that there
Will
in
it
this,
have
yep,
will it have applications or will it have acha, I have seen that browser also, right? So
yep,
it must be having browser data also.
yep. So from here, like in these images, okay, as I have shared this link of this with you guys. So these images have the WhatsApp data and Telegram data as well in it. I have downloaded this. I'll show you. I'll show you. Don't worry about that. Where is it gone? Okay. You can get everything like calculator data and all. Okay. You can simply click on all and right click and save applications data. You can do that. Okay. I'm not doing it because I am right now I don't have that much space left on my PC. Okay. So I'm not doing it, but in forensics you have to do. Okay. Extraction info. You can see my mails and at which access point that I have connected with, like my Wi-Fi name was ABCD, as you can see ABCD. So it's my Wi-Fi point, it's my Gmail. Again, you'll be getting everything, snapshots, wireless. Even you'll get the faces of it. I'm not showing the faces, okay, but you will get the image here, okay, images of your phone and the timeline.
But what does that faces contains, faces folders contains? Is it
It's this.
oh, okay, okay, okay.
You can see the timelines of it and all. You can get this, okay. You can just take the screenshot of it and do whatever you want, okay.
Which means that it categorizes the phone, I mean the images also and show it
Yep,
as appropriate or what?
yep. It will categorize the image as date and time. Like you can see 13, 8, and 5. Okay, you will be
Okay.
getting everything, and you can extract it or just right click on it and mark as tag or mark as key evidence. Okay,
What will happen if it marked as key evidence?
it will simply on the report generation thing. It will simply list out. It will point out this as
Okay. These
evidence.
are marked as these are
Yep.
marked as identified as a key evidence in separate
Yes,
section,
yes. Let me just do this as a key evidence. Okay, I have marked just my Google account as a key evidence. Okay,
right?
and from here you can generate the report as well. Okay, I'll show you the reportings, and from here you'll be getting the info of calendars, my Gmail calendar as well. Okay, if I have saved any date in my calendar with anything associated with it. Okay, I'll be getting this.
Say for example, I mean the phone that is being analyzed is a company device or company protected phone where it has its own end user production devices or tools, agents that are running over there. So will this capture that information and shows
It
that
will
as well?
capture each and everything of a phone, each and everything.
Whether it is protected,
Yep.
secured, unsecured, it doesn't
It does
matter.
not it does not matter like security and everything does not matter here. Here we have
Mm,
it simply this tool simply tells us like you have a physical phone, you can do the acquisition.
mm. Got it.
Security is not need for it.
So which means security and other uh, are on top of the base layer that where this tool is
Yep,
using up.
yep. Like as you can see here in the key evidence section, it get listed. Okay. You can see
Mm.
the extraction info and all, and where it has saved. You'll be getting all of this From the forensics perspective, you have to take the screenshot and write it to the report. Okay. Owner, you'll be listing your the owner name of this phone number and email of this owner's device. You will be getting general device, incident number, evidence number, and all. You have to write it. Okay. On the case section, you have to write it. Device info, it will be listed here. Android ID, it's listed here. Okay. And IMEI is also there. Okay. And okay, these are the things you will get when you right click on it. Just if you want to export the data, then you can export it. Okay, like as you can see, you can export it in a PDF format or whatever format you want. We can export it in a Excel format as well. Let's export it in both formats. Okay. So let's export everything except face. Except face. Okay. So let's export it. Let's wait for the exporting. The data. Even you can export your data from here as well, or save file system as archive. You will save you can save this all things as an archive as a zip file. Okay. So here let's open the folder. Where is the Android virtual machine? Extractions, not this one. Favorites, not this one. Tools, not this one. Unknown agent. Okay, as you can see, it get listed all of the things in a PDF format. Okay, snapshots, statistics. You'll be getting everything. Like how many images are there and all. You have to sign here. Okay, depends on your use case. Okay, you have to sign it.
Can you show me other PDF file, which is not
Yeah.
a key evidence? Okay.
Okay. Is it fine?
Yeah, yeah.
You'll be getting this info. And you can, if you open this Excel files, let's open this Excel files in timeline viewer. Okay, we have this timeline explorer. Just open this files in timeline explorer to get, okay, your, okay, no data is shown here, but you'll getting this. Okay, you'll getting it in PDF. Just let me just open it in some other file. Okay, it will just show you a wireless connection, a single wireless connection, but it won't show you the name of it and all. But yeah, you can. You'll get the info in PDF. Okay, and you have to attach these PDFs or Excel files with your report. You have to attach this. Okay, whatever you have done, you have to attach. Now, as we have done like physical acquisition, let's move with this image that I have told you to download. Okay. So for this image, like I have downloaded it. Just a second, let me see. Do we have a difference? Windows from Android 10. Okay, I have Android 10 one. Okay, of yes, 8.5 gigs. You'll be getting this. It's an it will contain two files. First one is Celebrite extraction, and second one is non-Celebrite thing. Okay. So for a Celebrite extension, you have to have the Celebrite analyzer to analyze that thing. For non-Celebrite, you will be getting like this. It has a folder of your device. You just have to extract it. It will be listed like this. Okay, and it's the system file. You have to open this file as like I have told you about this file systems. Okay, it's a custom file, but as I have told you about this files, you just have to open it in either you can open it on autopsy or FTK image. It depends on your use case. So let me just open it with an FTK imager first. Let's just go to File, Add, Folders. Next, select the folder, Downloads, Forensics, Android 10, non-cellular Pixel 3 here. Okay, just click on Finish. It will mount our file system, as you can see. Okay, and here all of the things will be present. If we have to see the data of WhatsApp and all, we have to move inside the data under there is another folder named as data. As you can see, here we can see it's a magic backup. Here we have a magic backup. It means this phone was rooted before getting this file. Okay, before getting this image. From here, you'll be getting like WhatsApp data. Let's see about WhatsApp. We don't have Telegram here, but let's see on WhatsApp. You can get the databases of WhatsApp and all. You can get this database. Like you can just get these database from here and open it in SQLite viewer. Let's open it. Let's open our SQLite browser. Let's open the extracted files. Not desktop, it's on downloads, I guess. Forensics, Android 10, 10 non-celebrate, Pixel 3, data, inside data from here. Okay, we have Telegram also. It's not shown here. Let's move back to the databases, and let's see. Let's analyze this one. Let's get the chat data first. Chat, not chat settings. Emoji, spike, location.db, media.db, message store. As you open this, navigate to the browse data, you'll be getting this info. You can filter it out from here. Here we have some messages. Okay, you won't get image files, but you'll get the messages from here. Okay, even you can get the number of this guy, I guess. Let's. Okay, we have no, it's encrypted. Okay, you can get the caller ID as encrypted. This user has called someone 2 times. Then chat. This guy has chatted from 3 person with this timestamp. And again, if you want some delete messages views, this guy does not have deleted any messages. Frequent chats and all ID keywords, and you can okay, you can this person has seen the status of 3 persons, and the date of it was listed here. After this, you will be getting message and message link. You can analyze everything. Okay,
Location?
you will be getting that thing as well. Let's analyze it. We have
No,
an
no, it
location.
is there in that drop down also. DB
Okay,
drop down you mentioned. Yeah. No,
uh,
not here. On the analyzer, SQLite DB browser, you're showing the drop down, right? It is there, the location also. Yeah, here. Somewhere I saw the location.
no label. No location is there. Let's see it in a bigger screen. It's label content segments labels.
No, no, go down, go down. Somewhere as chart location or message location or somewhere.
Nope. Like pay transactions
Okay.
and all. It's not here, but you can get it from message DB. No, not message DB, from location DB. Here we have location.
Location DB. Okay, okay. We have location DB directly. Okay.
Yeah, you can get it from here. It's a demo Android image. Okay. So it might not have those images, but you will have the knowledge. Okay. Android metadata, cache, location key, location sharer. Like this person has shared his location, but you can't get it's encrypted. Okay.
So how to get those details with the WhatsApp itself, or are there any other tools that provides that decrypt that does the decryption of these
No, it
messages?
will, the messages and all will be decrypted by WhatsApp itself.
WhatsApp only. Okay.
Yep. We don't have those things, and only law enforcements are.
Right. Understood. Yeah.
Yep.
They are authorized to approach
Yep.
WhatsApp to for this,
Yep.
right?
Okay. So as you have seen this, now let's move with the I guess theory part. As we have seen everything, let's move with this PPT. Okay, I have shown you the file system acquisitions and told you about the limitations of it. On the advanced acquisition, like advanced acquisition thing, you can uh, do physical acquisition with the root. Okay, you have to get the low level access of your phone. And I have told you about NAND, flash memory, chip of forensics. Like these are the advanced type that in this you will be in these like advanced data acquisition techniques, you will be getting it on complete hardware basis, like chip of forensics, it's complete hardware. ISP things in system programming. It will also from MMC, like eMMC or UFS, or
So
TCP.
after all these things, phone won't be in a usable state, right?
Yep.
Okay.
After this, like I have told you about the basic artifact analysis about web activity, location data, user generated, and communication records. Okay. And Android artifacts, I have also told you about this. Like if you format your Android, like data wiping and source deletion of your phone, or anti-debugging techniques like shredding your phone, if you follow these steps, then it comes under the anti-forensics thing. If you like metadata analysis, I've told you, and I guess I forgot the class name, but I've told you about the metadata analysis there. From there, you'll be getting the file timestamps like creation date, MAC thing. Okay, I have covered this thing in previous class, like last class. I have covered MAC in previous last class, modified access and creation of thing, and encryption bypasses and all. It comes under this. Even you can do some malware forensics from it, from the tools like APK tool and JetX. It's like complete Android forensics kind of thing. Like not Android, it's application forensics. Okay, you have to do application forensics in the malware forensics section. And again, we are left with the chain of custody thing. And in chain of custody, like the first thing is principle of non-alteration. The cornerstone of digital forensics is principle always work on a copy. This means creating a bit stream image using a tool like you can use DD. I don't think a DD will be used here. It's from Linux. It's not from Android, which creates an exact unalterable duplicate of original. Instead of DD, it will be ADB here. It's not DD. It's ADB. It's some writing mistake, I guess. And after this, like hashing for integrity to prove that like data to prove the acquired data has not been tampered. I've covered all of this chain of custody thing in I guess first class or second class. Okay, I've told you these are the two industry standard formats, MD5 and SSA 256. You can also use SSA 512 for the for better understandings. Comprehensive documentation, like I have told you about documentation, writing it on an like at your note taking application and applying all of these screenshots of whatever process you have done. Okay, and taking and also attaching the screenshot of it, and secure storage of those reports. Like you have to zip the report. Okay, and apply some passwords. Like let me just CDN. Let's go with the fax imager. Let's export it. Day export. Okay, as you can see, it's exported, and you have to simply like I have saved the image of it as well. Here is the image I will. Yep, it's the image. I have to get this folder. Show in System File Explorer. It's the image folder. I just have to copy it and paste it here and move it like this too with a zip. You can use any zipper, whatever you want. Like uh, if you want to use WinRAR, then go with the WinRAR. If you want 7-zip, then you can go with the 7-zip thing. Okay. Just select those things, enter a password, enter some secure password of 16 characters. Okay. When you apply like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's a 19 character, 18 characters. Okay. But it's an easy password. You have to use a secure password here. I have just used 129 and 129 again. Okay, and from here you can choose the algorithm, whatever algorithm is available on your zipper. Okay. Click on it and click on make archive. Okay, and just send it to whoever person asked you about the report. Okay, you have to like provide all of these screenshots and your report as well. Okay, and whatever you have done, like as I have I have worked with this folder. I have to zip it. I have to zip these 3 folders for the better understanding and all. Okay. Not this. Uh, let's close it. Let's close it. Close it. Okay. Now there are some challenges in Android phones. Sometimes like device fragmentation will happen. Like Android devices model, like some of the Android devices were not available on those oxygen thing, and any like there are some issues on Android. Okay, like models are not available on some Androids. Models of Android are not available on Celebrite and all. Strong encryption, like pulling the like sometimes some Androids have some strong storage encryption thing, so it can't get pulled that easily. Okay, anti-forensics thing and rapid OS updates and hardware diversity and all. Okay, I'll be sharing this PPT with you guys. Okay, emerging trends and future directions. You can use this particular knowledge in IoT forensics, like drone forensics. You can do this same on drone. Okay, you just have to attach the drone on the oxygen and do your analysis. Okay, I don't have any drone right now. If I had, then I'll surely let you know. You can do cloud forensics, AI/ML forensics from here. You can do virtualization and containerization on
But
external.
cloud AML forensics, they will be altogether a different kind of thing, right? Because how do we investigate what happened on the cloud storage? Because those storage devices are purely in temporary in nature. You don't
No,
even have access to
like
that
you
one,
don't
or
have the yeah, like you don't have the access to physical and physical device
right?
in the
Yes.
cloud, but you have the virtual device. Okay, you can extract the same data from the cloud. Like if you have a cloud instance running over any
Uh-huh.
droplet, you
Mm-hmm.
can run the tool, like you can run the fax imager or you can run the MRC to get the data from it and just host a server to get the data on your PC from there. Like you have to just open a server there and you have to download your data from that server. Or
Okay.
maybe you can use SCP to transfer your files. or WinCP for to transfer your files.
No, I'm not asking about how to get that data from here, but I'm just checking on how can I see, say for example, on the cloud, the storage, I took a VM and
Yep.
something happened on the VM. I wanted to have that forensics to be done on that virtual machine on the cloud. But then it is not the same virtual machine that I'll get it every time, right?
Okay, if you don't have, like, if you're telling okay, you are not getting the same virtual machine every time, then you can ask the organization for it. Like, if you are using Azure's virtual machine, then
Azure
you can
or
ask them
Oracle
the,
or AWS,
yeah, it
whatever it
depends
is.
on the organization. They'll give you an, I guess, they'll give you the instance information. From the instance information, you'll get the, I
Ah,
guess, they might provide you some reportings of it as well. If like,
That's
there
what I
are
mean. My point is like without the help of that service provider, we can't directly
no,
run the forensics just like what you demonstrated for for a mobile device, right?
no,
It
no,
is
no.
not that straightforward.
Yeah, we have to implement the, like, we have to ask the information from the provider, service provider.
Provider, yes. And how will that happen in AML? Because that is too secured.
Yeah, like inside the AIML, there will be some logs, or there will be some crash data. Like,
That's what I'm saying. Say, for
yeah,
example, if I
so,
take ML, it's always sequential, and I don't even know what is the previous, state when that activity happened and where is that located. It's all behind the data centers and everywhere.
yeah, like
So,
you can simply analyze the anomalies from it. The you
okay,
just have to
okay.
analyze it.
Anomaly analysis is there. That is there. But I'm talking about actual forensics to the level what we did for a mobile.
No, no, we can't do that thing in AIML, because we
That's
have this
my question.
physical thing here, but we don't have AIML in a physical form.
That's what I mean. My question is
Yeah.
what is the scope of forensic when it comes to cloud or when it comes to AML?
It's like
It will be
it's
different.
limited.
It will be
Yeah,
different when you compare it with a physical device that we don't
yeah,
mention.
like it's limited. It's not that
Yeah.
you can't use everything on the cloud. You have some
That's what
limitations on the. Yep,
I mean. It's some most of the times I don't even have access to what is that instance of the VM where that happened,
yep,
or where the
yeah,
hacking happened, or where the intrusion happened, or where the crash happened.
yep.
They
For
simply
that,
throw
you
away
have
that
to look for
instance
the
and recreate
scene.
a new one.
Yeah, for that you have to look for the scene logs and scene events. Scene, or
Okay.
whatever software you are running on your organization. I don't know. You have to look for those things. You have to completely get dependent on the logs.
Yes, only log information is available, and that too, it's not so accurate. It's reliable, but connecting dots via log information is very difficult.
Yeah. It's the, like, it's the simple, it's the major issue, not the simple issue. It's the major issue
It's
on.
the major issue.
Yep,
It's the major. Once we crack it, then at least we should be able to know what happened inside,
yep,
or
yep,
able to simulate, not replica, simulate.
yep. So,
Okay.
this is your class for today. Hope you like the Android forensics.
It's quite interesting. Thank you.
Thank you for joining the class. Let me stop.